Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to manage context in Claude Code. Context is everything Claude Code does during a session, including your prompts, files it reads, command outputs, project instructions, and previous conversations. Managing context properly helps Claude stay accurate and avoid forgetting important details during long coding sessions. So the first thing to do is to understand what uses the context. Claude context window includes your prompts. So whatever you write here, so your prompt, which is what you write in the conversation here, Claude's responses, the response that Claude will give you, the file content it reads, so in case you have uploaded any files, command outputs, Claude MD instructions. There is like, for example, there will be a file related to your own Claude agent, which always, before answering you, before giving anything, he has to read it. This is called the Claude MD. It's a format which could be written by Obsidian. So you can literally just open with Obsidian and literally view it like this. So this is exactly what it looks like. So the Claude MD is a file that will use list tokens, and basically you will order Claude always to read that file before it answers you. And then the auto memory and the MCP tools and skills that you have attached to your Claude code. So once you have all of these understandable and you have your Claude MD instructions ready, you're now able to manage the context in your Claude code. So you simply have now to write down / context, and the Claude code chat that you have opened will literally answer you. This shows what is consuming space in the current session and helps you identify why context is getting too large. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you a lot for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.